What's good, guys, and welcome to today's video. I'm so puffed. What have we been doing, Chris?
Jumping rope.
Jumping rope. We've been saying in the vlogs, like, we've been really trying our best to get fit. Gym's closed. Every pretty much outdoor activity, anything fitness-wise, is all closed. So, Chris had this jump rope here. And we've been trying to do 20 sets, like 5 of those.
Yeah.
And just mixing it up, having a bit of fun. But I have not skipped ropes at elementary, primary school.
It's
so,
like his jumping jacks.
Yeah, I look so bad, but it is destroying me. I've only done like 3 sets and I am completely stuffed.
Yeah, man, I'm completely drained.
So what I'm gonna challenge ourselves to do right now is 20 reps, 20 of those in one session, and then 10 push-ups. Or 5 push-ups.
Yeah.
And then
I'll see stars for sure.
Yeah, and so 5 push-ups, like proper push-ups, and then we're gonna take like a couple-minute break and then hit it again.
All right, you want me to go first?
Sure, all right, Chris, you can go first. I get a bit more time to rest now.
Yeah, we can see the difference in jumping.
Yeah, geez, Chris is a machine. I'm so like tall and lanky and uncoordinated, it's not funny. All right, ready? So 20, 1. Five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice, take a break. My turn.
Woo!
How you feeling?
Tired.
We need to do this every day when we wake up though.
Yeah.
For sure.
Run around the house a few times.
Yeah?
20.
Oh,
5.
all right, tomorrow morning, let's do it.
All right.
But I'm waking you up at 9.
Our own boot camp. Not 9. Maybe,
Not 9?
Maybe 1.
1 p.m.? It's not even morning.
Corona. COVID.
COVID, yeah.
We're on the COVID schedule. So.
That's true. All right, my turn. Everyone gets to see how unco I am.
All right, heavy breathing coming up. Sorry.
All right, here we go.
Here we go. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Not bad, dude. Yes, dude. Yes. Go for 20. What is that, 10?
Something than that. It's starting to rain too.
Yeah. I'm literally dripping sweat.
It's good though.
Yeah.
5 more times, and then we'll pick up the vlog from there. So just finished our little workout, and I guess I want to take this moment to just quickly encourage all of you guys, what you're doing at home right now. If you're stuck there and you've got nothing to do, why not try a little bit of exercise early in the morning? It helps get your endorphins and all those natural chemicals in your body pumping and running, and it actually makes you feel great, right, Chris?
Yeah.
So anyways, while we were doing that, some really cool parts rocked up. You guys know I've been waiting for this for a while, but let me show you what we got. I don't really know how to do this, but bam, turbo kit for the Miata. We have it, it's here. I went to the full CX Racing turbo kit because it comes with everything you need. There's a few things in this kit that I'm not like, you know, hey, probably not the best quality, so I will change those out. But overall, kind of surprised for what we got for our money. Not sponsored whatsoever. I paid full RRP for this. So yeah, that's that. Everything is here. Turbo, intercooler piping, down pipe, plus the pipe that goes all the way to the cat. It's all V-band, so I'm really pumped about that. Just in general, this is something we're definitely switching out. We're not using these perforated gaskets are junk. Never use them in your build because you'll end up replacing them a couple kilometers down the road. But yeah, turbo looks pretty good. No issues there. It's oil only, no play or anything. So yeah, this is the turbo kit. We're going with the Miata. Super simple. Hopefully everything bolts up and it's all gonna work. And yeah. Guys, I couldn't take it anymore. I splurged. I got a Yoshio factory fishing rod. How cool does this look? We got a little bucket, a little thing here. We're gonna go catch some bass. I'm excited. Let's find a place where there's not so many weeds. Hey, there's a local fisherman here. Hey, what's up? Are the fish biting or what?
Not today, mate.
Not today, mate? Oh. We're gonna see what we can catch.
Yeah, I'm mad,
boy.
dude.
How mad are you right now?
Today's Sam's day. You're gonna lose it.
Dude, yeah, he went right into the reef.
Yeah, you're gonna lose it.
No, I'm not.
You're gonna lose it, mate.
No, I'm not. I'm not losing this.
Dude, you're gonna break the pole, dude.
No, it's fine. He's just caught in the reeds.
Oh my god, you're gonna kill the thing.
No, he's alright. He's just tangled up.
Dang, I'm so butthurt.
Dude, I'm going in right now just to get that. Alright, yeah, we gotta save him. Hang on, let me let this out a bit. I'm going in barefoot.
What do you mean you're going in?
Because it's wrapped up.
Here, I'll hold your pole.
Around the pole.
Here.
So it's wrapped up around the pole, right around the weeds right now. You hold the pole. Let me get my shoes.
Great, we're gonna.
I'm going in.
Hurry up, dude! Save the fish, man. What are you doing?
I'm trying.
Go, dude. You and your high tops.
Hey, man, high tops are for every occasion.
They're to protect your ankles, I think.
From fish.
As you go barefoot, I hope he bites you, dude.
You won't. Woo!
Ew, this is like Corona Central too.
Well, I mean, it's not your pool.
Dude, your pants are getting all wet.
It's okay.
Save the fish, Sam. Yeah, I would not do this. Where the hell is it, dude?
Right here.
Oh my god.
Here it is, here it is.
Yeah, it's dead.
No, it's not.
It looks
right here. He's right here. Look at this. Nice little bass.
He's not happy, dude.
You know what? He may not be happy, but that's the first catch of the day.
Yeah, it is the first catch. A-hole.
Got it. All right.
First catch.
Call you Bass-chan. Mwah.
Ew.
All right, buddy. Thanks for the fun. Let him get some water.
Watch him just float.
He's all right. Off he goes.
Is he gone?
He's gone.
Heck yeah.
Oh, dude, what a rush.
Here, take
How long
your
was I
camera.
been out here? Like not even 5 minutes.
Yeah, 5 minutes, dude. Shut up.
So Chris has been running around this whole entire pond doing like 2 casts, catching nothing, and then just keeps running around because he's so salty. I just caught a second fish. He jumped off the hook though, but he jumped off. That's exactly what I said. He's now bringing up how many kills he got in last night's COD game because he's so salty. Oh man, this is great. So after our little fishing battle, Chris did catch another fish, so we're 1 for 1. We will continue tomorrow. But James, my powder coater guy, that's who you are now, James. You're my powder coater. He has this Fiat 500 Abarth. Did I pronounce that right? Abarth? Abarth? I really do need a bath right now. Anyways, okay, dad jokes aside. Oh, you pop the hood for me because you know where the button is. This thing is, how much horsepower do these things make?
170 or so.
170, 160, and you've got this thing tuned?
Mm-hmm.
And what's it pushing with your tune?
I have no idea. We haven't dynoed
it?
But
Okay.
I'm saying it's probably close to like maybe 180.
180? But this thing, this thing would feel incredible because it's so small. How much do these things weigh?
About 2,500.
Wow, that's light. And this, as you can see, has a nice little turbocharger there. I'd give it a little pat, but I'm holding the light. Got some nice silicone. Dude, that's the pod filter. That's cute. It's so tiny and small.
It's a small motor.
Hell yeah. All right, I'm keen. We're going to take this for a rip, see what it sounds like and what it feels like. Let's go. Are you good to hold the camera?
Yep.
Let's go. I'm pretty excited to drive one of these. I've seen them a lot in Japan, and that's kind of like a lot of people buy these and tune them in Japan and have a lot of fun with them. They're a small kind of K-class chassis, but you can get a lot of performance out of them. This thing's kind of crazy. It feels like the dash is missing a bunch, but it's actually all here in this little circle thing. The boost gauge. So there's a sport mode on this? Is that what we're in right now?
Yes.
And then like if I was to flick that or push it?
It would turn the sport mode off. The dash changes a little bit.
Oh.
And the light goes off.
Ah, and that's the boost gauge. Hang on, give me the camera. I want to show them this. This boost gauge is kind of trippy. Look at this. Come on, Canon. You can do it. Focus, please. So see how it says sport here and there's boost gauge? It kind of looks like a knob, but there's nothing there. It's a faceplate. And like I said, if we switch sport mode off, ooh, everything kind of changes and then sport disappears. So we'll turn that back on because we want all the right noises and all the fun. We're gonna put the windows down too so we can hear all the cool stuff. Hell yeah, all right, let's go for a rip. Standard gearbox, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, reverse. What I like to see, let's go. I'm not a firm believer in beating on other people's cars unless your name's Chris Rudnick, then I have no problem beating and breaking your car. Because I just feel like you have to do that with his cars. But we will do a few like little launches and stuff like that. Are we cold? Are we warm? Yeah,
It's still probably a little cold.
a little cold, we'll warm her up a bit. Just gonna cruise around and see what she wants. Ooh, we got a little bob on this. all right, nice little bob. I'm keen for that. Trying not to drive on the wrong side of the road is a big thing as well.
Oh yeah. Well,
Does this have a lot of torque steer?
Not really.
No?
Not as much as you would think, no.
Is it gas or diesel?
Gas.
Okay.
It sounds like a diesel.
Yeah.
But
I was
it
just
is all
thinking
gas.
that. It kind of sounds like a diesel. It's so cute. I love it. All right, hang on. I'm just gonna warm this thing up a bit, and then we'll do a few good pulls. All right. Nice. Oh, that was a limiter. It's too smooth. Like it catches you off guard. Okay. I can't get over how this thing sounds. Alright, I hope the camera picks this up, but it's so that's crazy. I love it. The boost gauge is insane. How much boost is this pushing?
Like 22, 24, somewhere around there.
Yeah, because like it maxes out straight to 24 psi.
This is a little bitty turbo. Yeah.
Little bitty turbo. She spills like crazy. Hang on. All right, ready? One more. It really does sound like a diesel though.
Oh yeah. That's what I said. It's a lot of fun.
Oh yeah. I wonder what this thing would be like if you autocrossed it, like a bit of time attack and grip, like if it's super gripped or.
Yeah, I got the new tires on it for autocross it.
Yeah.
Because it's pretty planted as it is.
Is it
so
conventional like power steering or is it electric power steering?
I think it's conventional.
Okay. It feels kind of
Actually,
heavy.
Yeah. Well, all the weight's up front.
Yeah. Front wheel drives are like that. But like it feels really like kind of agile. I feel like.
Feel that now? Watch this. No.
Oh. They just lost it. Oh, response.
Even the foot throttle, everything.
Because it'll drive by wire, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Wow. Everything's affected. Put that back on, please. Sport mode really does some crazy stuff. Here I am, like pretty much using a car park for warming up tires.
Because I got the Michelin power sport.
Oh, okay. I want to totally e-brake this thing. Yeah, it's good. Ooh, it brakes nice.
No, it's all factory.
Yeah, it brakes. Hang on. Dude, I'm not even like putting much weight on it. Okay, let's have a bit of. It does sound good. It really does. Hell yeah. Dude, this is such a nice car. I want to play with this. Like, I want to go to a track with this.
It's a lot of fun, yeah.
I reckon it'd be a lot of fun. Without traction control, it's really good.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It makes a world of difference.
It's insane. It's still weird because like it feels like this new car, how like the steering feels and stuff, it's really controllable. It feels like it kind of like helps with torque steer as well. Like I had the wheels spinning a little bit on the corner there and like you could feel it wanting to torque you, but it just wasn't going there. Like it kind of wanted to, but it didn't. It's interesting. The big wheels kind of nice. I like it, dude. This is such a big car. Wish we could autocross this.
I know, if PBRI was working,
Yeah,
definitely.
This would be sick.
That's why brand new tires, like probably less than a month old.
Yeah, it feels so light when you're driving it and coming into corners and stuff. I love it. All right, I'll park this up, but dude, thank you so much for letting me drive this.
No problem.
It's such a cool car.
Anytime.
I love that exhaust note. So James is just loading in the exhaust manifold, dump pipe, and we also got the turbo in there because everything's getting ceramic coated for heat proofing, and then the compressor housing, we're going to get that nice pink color as well. So I'm really pumped about that. James is a rad dude. Can't wait to see the outcome of these. Dude, I'm so pumped because ceramic coating's a big deal of any turbo build, or like, you know, people heat wrap stuff, but ceramic coating looks so much better.
It's a lot cleaner.
A lot cleaner too. And it's more efficient, I think, too. So I'm really excited about that. We might be doing the pistons when they arrive, but at this point, not 100% sure. Just depends on timing and what we got left done. But let me show you what I'm working on in here. Chris is kind of going crazy and filling his whole entire wall with Hot Wheels, which is what they do. Actually, both Chris's are doing that. Look at this. Man, this is getting insane. You have a problem, Chris.
I don't have a problem.
Yeah, okay, sure. It does look cool though, I will admit. I wish I had money and time to do that. But I've been going through...
Time, don't lie.
No, my time is spent playing Warzone on Call of Duty. I've gone through and cleaned up all these pistons. I scuffed them up a bit so the ink would stick as well. And everything's signed. We now got to go through all the orders and check the notes on them and make sure if Chris or anyone else needs to sign these that you guys requested. But these will be coming home, getting packaged and sent out Monday. So they're all good to go. They turned out really good, honestly. And I made sure I cranked down with a little ugga-dugga rattle gun on every conrod bolt. Some have bearings, some don't have bearings. Just kind of going to be the luck of the draw, boys. Back home now, and I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I had a great time. I cannot wait actually to go fishing again tomorrow. As crazy as that sounds, that's one thing I really liked about Florida when I was last here, was literally I could be working on cars, stressed out, frustrated, then all of a sudden go pick up a fishing pole and walk like not even 5 meters, like, you know, just a couple feet away, and go fishing in a canal and actually catch like bass right away. It's such a good feeling. I don't know why, but like fishing's always fun, obviously, when you're catching something. When you're not catching something, it can get frustrating, but you got to enjoy those moments and just kind of, I don't know, it's just nice to think through everything, go through your thoughts and just reassess situations and stuff. I don't know. I like fishing a lot because it's just you and a lot of thinking and time, and yeah, I don't know, it probably teaches you patience, which is something I think I need. Anyways, with that, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Smash that like button, leave us a comment, let me know if you were pumped about the Miata turbo build, ceramic coating, a whole bunch of stuff happening. It's finally, all the parts are arriving. Hopefully tomorrow or the day after, we'll hear back from the engine builder. And I'm really hoping my pistons arrive tomorrow so I can bring those and the conrods to the engine builder and get everything balanced up before we then finally assemble the engine. My goal is to have the engine completed by the end of this week, which means I also need to start getting the engine bay prepped for paint. Oh boy, so much to get done, so much content coming. Keep an eye out for it. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out. Jamata.